Guys, I am Talavia.
I'm Talaja, and we're gonna be
cooking with mother. Okay, guys, we're gonna be cooking with my mom, and
we're getting the cake. We already got the mix and the icing and the sprinkles. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that as soon as we get back to the house. We're at this furniture store, and after when we leave from here, we're gonna pick up my grandma, and then we're gonna get home and start the cooking. It might be a part 2, cause when we turn off the phone, it might just. So it might be a part 2, and it's gonna be on YouTube and Instagram and my musical. So yes,
I already posted on Musical.ly that it's gonna be on YouTube, so they already watched it.
So we gonna get into this video.
Okay, guys, so something I want to say when she was talking. So, like I said, when the people on Musical.ly watch,
give us likes, comments, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us how you like it. We might give y'all a piece. We're gonna cut it and see how it tastes. That's gonna make this cake good. But yeah.
Okay, if it's comments down below,
we gonna give y'all shout outs. And BFFs, shout outs and BFFs. Alright? Okay. And follow.
Okay. Are you done?
I think so. If I think something else, I'll blur it out.
Okay, so if it's a bad comment, thumbs down. If it's a good comment, thumbs up. If it's I don't know comment, it's like a hate comment. If it's like a hate comment, put two thumbs down. And if it's like a question mark. If it's like a I don't know, put like
okay. I thought they'll be out in a little bit. They just went in this.
Just to go check the price about this furniture. Oh yeah, box spring. I think that is.
And then after this, we're gonna go pick up my grandma out of Walmart, and then we're gonna get to this video. So we just letting people know that we're just getting ready for our baking, and we'll just be on there to watch. Okay? Well, baby. That's it. Yeah.
So yeah, and we'll be. Yeah, and it is gonna be a part 2. I just thought about it. It is gonna be a part 2. If we don't finish it all, cause we gonna start off like it's gonna.
And just let you know, if y'all got Instagram, y'all better go on that Instagram because we are going. My bad. We're gonna go on Instagram Live, and we're gonna be going live. My mom already said we would. And on my birthday, March 13th, we're gonna be in a hotel. We're gonna be turned up. I think if my report card good. And we already got glue. I got a pop socket.
Dun dun dun.
I got a pop socket for my birthday.
Now.
And I got some clear glue. So.
Clear glue. We got 4, and it's gonna be like a big old
we got some glitter. And we're gonna get a jug. We're gonna get a jug, a big thing of jug. So yeah, we're gonna get lit.
We're gonna be lit. The L for the lit. If her is good, so hopefully everybody cross their hands.
Hopefully.
And comment down below if it's
another video, and we'll be turned up. We're gonna be at the hotel, and Jiraiya, my friend.
Wait a minute. JJ Squad is gonna be there, so please comment down below if.
My friend's gonna be there. Let me tell you,
JJ
Squad. These are persons who's gonna be there: Bianna, Jordan, Jataya, Jiraiya, Jarayla, and my sisters and my brother.
JJ Squad, please go follow them, like all their stuff, do anything you want to with their page.
Shout out.
Just please don't hack them, because I don't like them getting hacked for real.
Yeah, so we're gonna get into this video. I know y'all talking about saying our voice rude, but still, let's get into this video as soon as they get off the stove.
So yeah. So bye.
Okay, I'm sorry y'all, but I gotta say one more thing. That's one more thing. The video. But I gotta say one more thing. And yes, we will be doing pranks. No, I want you to bring me sometime
like literally just spoke to her like a few minutes ago. She had the same stuff to y'all, but I know I said one thing. It wasn't even playing. So yeah, that was it. So yeah, that's all I gotta say.
Okay.